Okay, we're out at the flip today. Do an update. We've been inside cleaning. We got HVAC. Landscaping has started. And tomorrow carpet will be installed along with new flooring. The new owner wants to cover up all the hardwood floors. So this will be carpet. All the white stuff is just mud. These floors would look really nice refinished. If this was my choice, we would refinish all these floors. This is all going to be carpet. That was a 24-inch door. We widened it 4 feet to 4 feet. It's a broken window right there. Bathroom. We have cabinets installed. Granite countertops are on. So this will all be a vinyl plank all throughout here, into the back room, into the used to be a bathroom. We've started outside. That is going to be the same color as the inside, so it will just be an extension of the inside. Floors will be used to probably stuff called granite grip. So, there we have it. You guys make sure to subscribe. We are going to continue to have projects like this. Color inside is a Benjamin Moore Horizon Gray. White trim is Alabaster. Of course, we use Sherwin Williams. All right, I'm out.